Hello friend. So before writing the XPath, we should understand that what is the right platform to write and verify XPath. Which is the correct platform? Where should we write our XPath? Because of this, many of us as a beginner we have learned so many misconceptions, and many a times we lose in interview just because of that. I will show you why I'm saying so and what is the meaning of that. So there are multiple ways that where and how you can write the XPath, because in general like everybody suggests that we should write our own XPath. But what does that mean? Basically we are saying that when we say that we should write our own XPath, we are saying that we should write our XPath in Chrome DevTools. Let me show you what are the misconception and wrong things we have learned till today by writing XPath in Chrome DevTools. And many a times you will see that why you will never understand that why you got fired from the interview, what wrong you did. For an example, you just click on inspect here, open Chrome DevTools. Let me just zoom in. Yeah. Okay, so this is a very frequently asked question that tell us how many links on this page. Okay, so what we do in general, I'm just clarifying the misconception before we go into the next tutorial. So yeah, so what we do, we write the XPath as a /A. For now, if you don't know XPath how to write, I'm just don't worry, this is how we start. So I'm just giving an example, /A. But here if you see that when you write /A in Chrome DevTools, it actually matches the string as well. Like wherever it will match the string like /A, this is a string, this is not an anchor tag. If it is an anchor tag, a tag, then it's fine, then it should show. If it is showing, then it is fine, that okay, that is a link, correct. But this is not the XPath matching, this is the string matching. So here it is showing 89 matching node, which is wrong. There are not 89 links in this page. Let's verify same thing with the help of SelectorsHub. Press enter, it is showing 63. So basically there are 63 links on this page, and all these links are here. These are all the links. So this is what we have to learn. You have to learn about so now we got to know that there are 63 links on this page, and these are all 63 links here, while here in Chrome DevTools it is showing 89, which is wrong. There are not 89 links on this page, because it is showing 89 because it is matching string as well. So basically Chrome DevTools is not to verify XPath only. Remember this, Chrome DevTools is not to verify just XPath, it is also to search the keyword. If you delete this, you will see, read the sentence what they say, find by string, selector or XPath. So if you search by this, it is also matching the string /A. So use SelectorsHub, because like many a times you might, if your XPath, you have written some XPath, if that will match as a string as well in this DOM, then it will show matching result, and you might be like keep struggling that okay, I have to make it unique, or why it is not finding, why it is finding more than one matching nodes and all. So that misconception will not be there, and you will not be wasting your time. Another thing, like while writing XPath here in Chrome DevTools, you have to, just to write one XPath, you have to inspect multiple times same element, like this /A. If you are writing like this, you see that you will have to copy this value, and then you have to type everything here, and that space will be there, so you will be deleting it manually, and everything will be doing, you will be doing. And even after that, it will not be like making, I guess, unique XPath. So you see, then a lot of things you will have to do, so much time waste. But here if you are doing here in SelectorsHub, you see that auto suggest you used to get like this, and quickly you can complete along with their occurrences. So this is really advantage, like it gives the correct information, correct XPath. Also, like as a beginner, if you write some wrong XPath here in Chrome DevTools, if you miss something, then it will show you 0 of 0. It will not tell you that what is what is wrong in your selector. So that also it will help you, SelectorsHub will help you to learn, like close square bracket is missing. If you do anything wrong here, it will tell you that after forward slash what is allowed, what is not allowed. So this is right platform to write XPath. Apart from this, like if you go to like any element which is like SVG element, if there are like these elements, SVG elements, so Chrome DevTools that also doesn't support. Like if you inspect this element, let's say this is SVG, if you right click and copy this XPath what Chrome DevTools gives, you will see that that is a 0 matching node, which is wrong. If you paste this XPath here in SelectorsHub, you will get to know that invalid SVG XPath format. So what is the correct format? Then here you can get it. Or if you want to write your own XPath, you just write like this. You see, it gives the right format. So you would be able to learn, and the information as well you will get. Similarly, like Shadow DOM, if you have to write XPath for Shadow DOM or selectors, you have to write that also, like it is not possible, and actually like Chrome DevTools doesn't support Shadow DOM, so that is another challenge. And people feel like, okay, this is how, like they just right click and copy XPath and then keep wasting time. Okay, why this XPath is not working? So this 0 of 0 it is showing, while here if you paste the same thing, it will tell you that XPath doesn't support Shadow DOM. So you get the correct information here in SelectorsHub. There are many misconceptions people we all have learned, because nothing was available. We considered that this is an standard, but no, this is not the right way. So I hope like this will help, and you can use the console as well, but tough to verify and write XPath here in console. Like every time you will have to do $X and then you have to go back here. Also you can open console here as well, but yeah, this is like that will be complicated, too much time wasting here doing this way. And also again that Shadow DOM things will not support, and you will have to do a lot of hacks by there, so it will waste a lot of time. SelectorsHub is really fast and really super powerful to write and learn more about XPath. So I'm sure like you can install it. How to install SelectorsHub? It's very straightforward. You come here, and for whichever browser you are using, you can just click on that particular link here. And okay, let me just remove it, as I have already added in my browser. So you come here on selectorshub.com. I will leave the link in the below, and whichever browser, let's say Chrome we want, so click on Chrome. Here it will open, add to Chrome, add extension, and it will be added successfully here. So once it is added here, you will see that it will not show the icon over here. You will have to click on this icon and pin it to toolbar. Then you would be able to see here. Click on this, you will get a instruction here and everything to use this tool. And it's very simple. Like after adding it, either you restart the browser or whatever tabs are open, just refresh them, so then it will work. And now you can just right click on inspect here, and you will see if you doesn't find SelectorsHub here in the DOM, make sure you just click on these two arrows. It will be the last tab here, or else what you do, you just expand it. It will be always last tab. Okay, click here, you will get it here, and here you can write your own XPath like this, simple, and you will get all the right information. Anything you will be doing wrong, it will tell you. So this is really helpful. Install it, and in the next lecture we will see writing XPath using XPath function, and more we will see in the coming lectures. Now let's jump into the writing the actual XPath with using XPath function in the next tutorial. Thank you.